Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your iPhone is running a recent iOS. This matters because unsupported emoji display as question marks. Once done, back up to iCloud or Finder so updates are safe, then update iOS via Settings General Software Update. Make sure to quit your messaging app and perform a simple restart afterward to clear temporary caches. This often resolves rendering problems before any deeper steps are needed and prevents data loss during the update. Next, focus on the keyboard and app-level sources of the problem. You should reset the keyboard dictionary and remove any third-party keyboards, then re-add the Apple Emoji keyboard because third-party fonts can fail to map new characters. Also update messaging apps from the App Store since app-level support affects rendering. Once you've updated apps and reset keyboards, test by sending a known new emoji to yourself or a contact. This isolates whether the issue is system-wide or app-specific. To finish, try toggling region or language settings briefly. This forces iOS to reload fonts and can clear stubborn question marks. If that fails, back up, erase the iPhone and restore from backup. Restoring refreshes system files and replaces corrupted emoji fonts. Make sure to test across apps after restore. If problems persist, remember one key troubleshooting tip. Many question marks mean the sender or recipient has an older OS or a non-Apple device.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.